welcome back to Outdoor Homestead. And 2 days ago I made a video about this $5-6 deer attractant. I think this is the Walmart brand, and it's called the dirt bag mud hole. Okay, it's supposed to have pungent aroma, molasses mix, and attracts and holds. This has 20% sugars, which is I think very low for a deer attractant, but okay, so we decided to give it a shot. For deer attractant, I started making my own mix, and it's not because I need to, it's just something fun to do before deer season. And we are 2 months away from deer season, so I like to experiment with different things. I see a deer in the distance. Okay, but anyways, when I first opened it, I thought it was very thin. It didn't look good. It smelled all right, but I did get a comment from a viewer. So this guy said, the viewer said that I have to shake the bottle first. So that makes more sense. So shout out to D1 Money Chaser. He is the one, or this is the viewer that commented on my video, and thank you. I will try this next time if I see this again. But does it work? Maybe, because, well, I didn't shake it, but 3 hours, and if you look at the video, that's me. At the time I poured this onto a tree log on the ground as well, but not 3 hours later, I think 3 hours later, a deer shows up. Okay, they usually come around this feeder around 4:30 or so, but that deer was not interested on this. Later on, a couple of more deer show up, but again, they didn't show any interest on this. They only show interest on the corn, which they probably prefer. Later on that night, a raccoon shows up, and he showed interest on this. So does it work? Possibly. It possibly gave the corn a kick. You know, it kind of settled the scent around the area. The day after in the morning, a bunch of deer show up. Okay, but again, they didn't show interest on this deer attracting. So again, these things work sometimes, but they only work for about a couple of days, maybe 2-3 days, and then it disappears, right? So if you are just starting to deer hunt and you have your own land and you have your own feeder, yeah, you get one of these. Go ahead, put it on the ground. If you never establish a food source for the deer, and the deer, they don't know there's food there, go ahead and put it on. I mean, you have nothing to lose, you know, $5-6. But try anything. You never know how the deer are going to behave, especially whitetail. So give it a try. Would I recommend this? I don't know, because the reason I don't know is because I had these feeders here for a very long time, and if I'm going to use a deer attractant, I use fruits, peanuts, sugar, real fruit, rice bran, you know, things like that, and corn. You can make your own mix. I'll put some links in the description for those recipes we have made here, and they do work really well. So just give it a try, and if you got a deer attractant recipe, please share with me. I love to try different things right before deer season. It's really fun to me just to watch the deer coming to your feeder and looking at them in the camera. So so please, if you haven't subscribed, hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. We'll continue to make these videos right before deer season, and if you want to track the entire season, go ahead and subscribe to help out the channel. So hey, let me know what you think in the comments. Until then, catch you in the next one.